Today, let's look at the anatomy of candlestick. Yes, far from the beginning. Most of us, I know, most beginners, they are there. They usually see candlesticks on the trading view, as you can see, but they don't know how those candlesticks are done. What? How those candlesticks are formed. Uh, we have two types of candlesticks, that is a bullish candlestick and a bearish candlestick. A bullish candlestick is this green candle. A bullish candlestick is the green one. Yes, you can use any color that you use, but it is a green one, usually represented by a green one, and a bearish candlestick is the one that is represented by a red one. So let me tell you clearly. I explain these candlesticks, how they are formed, how they move, and yeah, how easily you can apply them into the chart. Let's start with this candlestick. This candlestick here, the one you see here now. Hope you see my cursor. This is now a bullish candlestick. A bullish candlestick is composed of low, open, real body, close, high. Then we also have lower shadow and upper shadow. I want to explain each and everything. Also, this one is a wick. You understand? When you usually hear about a wick, this is the wick that we always talk about. Remember, I post a full video on my YouTube channel. The YouTube channel link is right away on the bio, and the YouTube channel name is here on the screen. Go subscribe and watch full video to understand each and everything. Yes, so let's continue. Here, this one now is the candlestick. How does it come to be formed? Then they are telling you that the candlestick opened from here. Of course, let's say that you're in 4-hour time frame or for 1 day time frame, they will show you when the time elapses, a new candlestick is supposed to be formed. So when it's formed, it just starts like this. Okay, I can assume maybe like a line. Then as the time goes on, as it moves on, it starts forming what we call wicks and bodies. So the candlestick opened from here. Why are they saying that the candlestick opened from here and closed from here? Yet we are seeing these wicks as part of the what? As part of the candlestick. Yes, this candlestick opened from here, but when it opened at this level, sellers pushed this candle down. You understand that? Sellers pushed this candlestick down up to this point, but buyers also were strong. They pushed this candlestick, making this one, of course, when this one was moving up down here, it was a body. Let me get what? Let me draw for you here. Yes, let's start. As you can see, let's say the price has opened from here. So we are seeing this being pushed down this way. You understand? So when it is being pushed down this way, it means now the sellers are taking over. But now buyers come strong and pushes this body back up to this level. You see? They push this level back up to what? Up to this level. Meaning that now this one is no longer a body, it's now a wick. Now they push more up to this point. They will push this candlestick more up to this point. You get? But now, because sellers now are also again strong, they will push back a little bit, half of this what? Of this candlestick. Meaning that it will open from here. Though this was its lowest level, the candlestick moved up to. And this is the highest level the candlestick moved up to, but it closed from here. How? Meaning that when this one is pushed, this one, and maybe 4-hour time frame elapse, or 1 day or 1 hour elapse, and it elapses when it was here, a new candlestick is going to be formed. And now, meaning that I will be having a wick here, meaning that they pushed it back here, closed from there, but it had opened at this point, but it had moved up to this point, meaning that this is the lowest point the candlestick has moved. This is the highest point the candlestick has moved, but it closed from here and opened from here. Hope you understand that. That is for a bullish candlestick. It opens from down and closes from down. The same although that this is just the opposite, it opens from up and closes from down because it is a bearish candlestick. Sellers, it is a candlestick for sellers. They are the one pushing it down. This is bullish. Let me write it here. This is for bullish. Bullish. This is a bullish candle. So let's look at what? A bearish. A bearish candle. Yes. Now it opens from here and closes from here. Meaning that it opened from here. But when it opened from here, it was pushed up by buyers. It was pushed up by buyers. But again, sellers were very strong. They pushed it back again here. Meaning that now this body will be phased out and we have what? A wick. Then it was later pushed down up to this level. It was later pushed down up to this level. You can see here. Up to this level. Yes, this is now the body up to this level, as you can see. But now buyers again were strong. They pushed it a little bit up to this level, meaning that now this distance between this one and this one now becomes the real board of the full candlestick. The real board of the full candlestick as remaining the wick. That's why they are telling you that this is the highest level this candlestick has gone to, and this is the lowest level this candlestick has gone to. Meaning that now this one qualified to be a wick and this one qualified to be a wick. It opened from here and closed from here because we know buyers they are pushing, sellers they are pushing the market downwards, but sellers they are pushing the market upwards. Yes, for all beginners, make sure you understand this. We shall have more on anatomy of candlesticks. We look at the different candlesticks and how they perform within the market. Please make sure to follow me on TikTok and subscribe for my YouTube channel Crypto Guru on YouTube so as that you keep informed. God bless.